Riri bururi rathi na mbere na guthingithio ni makumbi ma mirurungano iratwarithio na mbere ni mbeu njithi. Ahunjia dini ya Kihindi ni moritie honge cia thirikari na muingi kuhimbiria miario niguo thayu woneke bururi-ini. Maikitie ritana riri hindi ya mwambiririo wa thiguku yao ya Silver Jubilee iria ni ya kumatha thayu kuri ciana na yuthi mwena wa Thika, magiteterithia miario niyo ingirehe kihonia gia gutura kumana na mirurungano ya kuhinyiriria utongoria mwega thirikari-ini.
It is very important to maintain peace, all the facets of the community, because community is a fabric. It's and when a fabric comes together, it's all different threads that come together and weaves a fabric of the country, of the nation. Ahunjia aya maugite hari bata wa guthingatithia thayu bururi-ini na ni wigiririki wao kuhunjia guku makimenererithia aria marauthararia. Everyone has to have one common goal, which is peace. One common goal, which is peace, and that is very important for the well-being of the nation and for the growth of the nation. Ayuthia dino maugite mbeu njithi ni mabati gukuruhanio na utongoria mwega thirikari-ini na kwina thayu ni mekuhota gukuria iheo na taranda ciao, oho makiuria aruna ao matuike mabarothi a thayu na mekuruhani na matua maria marakinyanirio ni thirikari na njira itiganite.
It's very much important to be involved in the temple activities because we learn a lot of things, like including like skill development. Then we have many virtues like we have like family harmony, coexistence, how we can all coexist together. We also get to learn a lot about respect for the elderly.
In Monday, through our prayers and our teachings by our guru. So yes, we can imbibe peace in our country and also in ourselves.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Gitau wa Njung'wa.